How to delete your account on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your account on Instagram on iOS phone. Click here on your profile icon and now you will see these three lines. Click on it and you will see settings. Click on it and now you will see accounts. Click on it and click delete account. And now all what you have to do is delete account and it will be deleted. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.